Oh, that song.
Oh, I can't hear this song.
Ang galing, ang daming S. Tut!
It's not much time.
No.
That's good. And
It was great.
it just sounds so
And
good.
I haven't heard that first voice before.
Yes, yes.
It's a whole nother voice.
Oh, yes, yes. It's a girl's voice in a different octave again.
So he's hitting A2. That's not easy. That was hard, and I actually sang it myself a couple of times in that reaction. And it's not that easy, you have to practice it. But he's there on the spot. So he's been asked to change octaves in seconds, in milliseconds, let's say. So that moment right there, just before I stopped, was hard. Like, it was hard. In your eyes. They tell me how much you care.
Tut!
In
Tut! Tut!
Oh, it's like, what did you say, pasado? Pasado mean love? It's like passaggio? Pasado? I don't know. That's exceptional control.
Tut! Oh, wow! Wow! Dang! What the fuck? That was so iconic!
Whoa! Whoa! Wonderful. No, I was wrong. I was wrong. No. I was wrong. He did not switch without Vice Ganda pressing on the remoto. So no, he followed Vice Ganda to a T. That was amazing. Let me do it. I want to see it again. But did you see? Marcelito is not switching right away. You know, he takes a second to adjust, you know. Very clever man. I like him.